Let's read with Little Learning Loop. Splash and play. Let's visit a fun water park today. Let's go. A trip to the water park. A trip to the water park. Let's see if you can read. I went to a water park. I went to a water park. It's your turn now. It was fun and exciting. It was fun and exciting. It's your turn to read. I went down a big water slide. I went down a big water slide. It's your turn now. The splash at the end was huge. The splash at the end was huge. Let's see if you can read. I played in the cool water. I played in the cool water. It's your turn to read now. My friends played with me. My friends played with me. It's your turn. We floated in the lazy river. We floated in the lazy river. Let's see if you can read. We laughed and had fun together. We laughed and had fun together. It's your turn to read now. I also wore a swimming tube. I also wore a swimming tube. Let's see if you can read. We followed the safety rules. We followed the safety rules. It's your turn now. My trip to the water park was amazing. My trip to the water park was amazing. It's your turn to read now. Good job, kids! Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Little Learning Loop to continue with more such reading sessions. Thank you for watching.